What is quality management software? Quality management software, or QMS, monitors product and processes beginning in the design phase, moving through production, and finishing with distribution to enable manufacturers to measure quality at every step and identify areas for improvement. Common features of quality management software include change control, to analyze adjustments to processes and resource usage by identifying tasks, defining the steps involved, and organizing tasks by the completion dates required to implement a change. Supplier quality management qualifies potential supply chain partners and monitors supply chain collaborations to determine benefits and advantages. Complaint management simplifies the process of obtaining customer feedback by expediting the investigation process and finding acceptable solutions. Employee training management allows users to track training activities, mark completion of relevant course materials, and comply with all training requirements. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.